Good afternoon, students. We have with us Aruna Sharma, Uday Vasist, Shab Saini. Good afternoon. Happy New Year to all. Welcome to 2021. And I believe that we'll start with great things in this year. Am I audible? Thank you. Uday Vasist, thank you. Okay, so now we'll start our next session. And in our previous session, we studied about MIT App Inventor tool, and we had completed one task also where we were using buttons and label and layouts. Today again we'll start with button, but we'll be using one more item from user interface, and that is checkbox. And I'm starting with a new project. I'm giving it color a list app. Okay, if you had any problem in previous session, if you want to know anything, you can write in comment section. Mr. Sanket and Mr. Rehan is there to assist you. Okay, so now we are here with our new task where we will be using checkbox along with buttons and label. So do you know what is checkbox? Many a times you have come across while filling a form where you used to choose options such as let's say you are asked in a form to tick male or female. Even in our registration form which you have filled for this training, there was option to pick the class option, in which class you are, 6th, 7th, or 8th or 9th. So you had to pick any one, or you need to tick any one option out there. In the same way, we come across with checkbox in different places, whether filling your forms, whether shopping on your shopping sites. While let's say you want to purchase clothes, so what you do, you go to shopping category. But let's say you want to search for a specific cloth, for example a jeans. So what do? You check the jeans checkbox, and like that you then search for that item. So now today what we'll do, we will be going to use checkbox, and we'll see that how we can utilize it, or how we can design our own app while using a checkbox. So again we'll start with the layout, because that is the the first task which we used to do while designing our app, because we need to define the layout of our app. So what I have done, I have taken one horizontal layout first, then again moving to the right side under this palette, we have to fix these parameters. So first what we'll do, we'll make height 10%, and we make the width fill parent. And what we'll do, we will keep the background color transparent or none. And why we are taking this? Because we need to drop one button here. So we'll pick one button and we'll drop it here on this horizontal layout. Now again, for this button also, what we'll do, we'll set these parameters here. So first what I'm doing, I'm changing this font size to 18, font size bold, and making this height as again 10%, width as 30%, and I'm giving this a name reset, because I am going to use this button to reset the settings, whatever settings I am going to use over here. Then to bring this button at the center, I'll choose center, then align vertical center. One more thing, let's say you want to change the shape of this button, you can change it by choosing this shape. I'm making it rounded. Next, I'll change the background color of this button to red. Okay, so this is my first task which I have done for this. What is my next task? Again, I'll go to the layout. I'll bring down one horizontal layout over here. Then again, I'll change the settings for height, fill parent, then for width, fill parent. So this is my second layout. Third, what I'll do, I'll bring one label from user interface and put it here between these two. And then again, I'll move here. We'll change the background color to light gray. Then again, the font size as 18, bold. And why we are going to use this label? To display a text there. And for what we are going to design this app? So today we are designing this app to choose a color from 3 different colors. What are 3 different colors? Red, green and blue. And we all know that these 3 colors are fundamental colors. By mixing these 3 colors, you can make different colors. So this is our initial task which we are going to do. And then what is our next task then? Now we'll choose the checkbox. So I have drag and dropped first checkbox, second, first checkbox. Let's finish this one. The first checkbox, I'm making it bold, again font 18 and height as 10%, width as let's say 30%. And this checkbox is for red. I'm going to choose a color, red color. Background will remain like this only. Then I'll bring down another checkbox. And then change the settings for this also. In the same way, 18, height as 10%, width as 30%, and then this will be for green. So like this, I'm going to use 3 checkboxes. Another checkbox, I'll give it a name. What should be the name here for third one? What I told you, that I'm going to use this one for choosing a color from 3 different colors. So this will be, what color it will be? Blue. So this is what the layout of different options will be there on the screen here. So this is the designing part of our app, where we have a reset button, where we have a label button, then we have 3 different colors. Then this second layout 2, what I'll do, the background color I will check it as cyan. So the background color for second horizontal arrangement, I'll fixed it by default as cyan. And what I have to do, whenever I will be picking, whenever I will be ticking any one of these 3 colors, the background color should change in that color. And the same color name should display in the label. Let's say I am ticking on green. So the background color, the second background color should change in green. And the green name should be written over here. And if I click on this reset button, the color of this background of this horizontal second arrangement should change to the default color cyan. So this is what the designing part, and whatever thing you are designing, everything need hard work. Actually, we need to brainstorm. And when we say that, let's say we got an idea to design an app, we got an idea to design a layout or different things, that will only possible if you are working to do something for that particular task. While sitting idle, you will not get any idea. So if you want to design something, you need to work hard, you need to see different layouts, you need to see different options, different applications. and then only you will come to a particular conclusion that how we can design our app or what should be the layout of that particular app. One more thing you can do here, instead of bringing this keeping this layout, oh sorry, this horizontal arrangement as plain, you can place a image also over there. Even you can place image in buttons also by picking a image coming there in this image option, but I'm not choosing it right now, but you can use it in this way. Now we have finished it here. Now we'll move to the block section. This is really a very important part for you people, for we all to learn about programming and coding. Because what is our motive here? What should be your approach? Your approach should be to learn design thinking and to develop computational skills, that how we can apply our logics, different choosing different options from this control, logic, maths, text. There are different categories there, how you can use them efficiently over there. Uday Vasist, uh, I really appreciate you, and in the previous module also you worked a lot, you put your efforts, and your queries were also very, you can say, uh, perfect. You are asking relevant questions, and you designed your projects also in a very uh, well mannered way. And in this session also, whatever queries you are asking are really great, appreciating. And I ask you all to work hard, and if you face any problem, you ask question from us, you comment us, message us in the same way Uday message us, and we are here to support you in whatever way, and by whatever means be possible. We'll try to convey our message, we'll try to explain you different things after this training also. So we have a 1 week task, 1 week time. In that 1 week you work on different on this application, you apply your logics. If you face any problem, you can ask us, you can message us, you can call us. So this only what we can do to help you there to learn all these technologies. Okay, anyways, now moving to the block part. So what should we do now? We have two layouts, we have a label, we have a button here. And first what we'll do, I'll give a name to this button as reset button. Sorry, I didn't name it before. Reset underscore button. I'll give this check name as red checkbox. I'm renaming them red underscore checkbox, because it will help us there to understand that what type of button or component we are using in. Then we have green underscore checkbox, and in the same way I am going to change the third one, and this is blue underscore checkbox. So like this we'll get benefit over there while writing our blocks. And label, what should be the name of the label? Color name underscore label. So we have finished up with the names here. Now we'll come to blocks. Okay, what I'll do, I'll move to horizontal button. I'll move to red button, and I'm picking this block when red underscore checkbox is changed. So what I'm going to do, because what is our motive? To change the background color of horizontal background too. So I'll pick one here, and I'm go to background. So I'll take this set horizontal arrangement background color to what? Red. So I'll go to colors and I'll pick red color. So what will happen if we use this one? Whenever there will be any change in the red checkbox, the background color will change to red, and the label name should change to, I'll have come to label, and I'm going to take one, oh sorry, label. Oh, something happened again. I'll come to label. Sorry, I need to refresh it. It happens quite often in this MIT App Inventor. Okay, so what I'll do, and then I'll take a label. I'll come to label because I need to change the name of the label to red. The change color name to text, because I'm writing a text, so I'll come to the text block, text category, and bring down one empty text block over here. So simply plug in here and write red. So this is what our first instruction. In the same fashion I am going to use for blue, and the same fashion I'm going to use it for green. So I'll simply choose it for green, change color to green over here, write green there, and then I come to this one. This is for blue, change color to blue, and write the comment here blue, sorry, green. And then what next we have this reset button. Then again I'll choose one event for reset button. When reset button will click, what we are going to do, we need to change the background color to, what color is the background default color? That is our cyan color. So we'll change the color to cyan. I'll go to the colors and bring down a cyan color here, or instead you can write it there on the screen also, color CYAN, cyan. So pick this color and you can plug in here. What is the next? I need to write the text in the label as cyan. Okay, so these are the instructions which we are going to apply there to run this application. We have completed with the instruction. Now we'll go to the emulator. So this is the app. Something happened. I need to run the emulator again. It will take again a few minutes. Okay, anyways. So while writing, while it will load into the emulator, we'll discuss it. What I have done, I have taken a task, because we know what is the task. Our task is to choose the background color of the horizontal layout to 3 different colors one by one based on the checkbox status: red, green, and blue. And what else we need to do? We need to display the name of the chosen color in the label. What else we need to do? We will be resetting the color of the background to cyan color. So this is how our app will be going to work. And we told you in our previous module also while discussing it, that if you are writing any program, the best thing is to write the flow chart. What is the flow chart? How your application will be going to work for that particular task. So the same thing I am telling you, but verbally I am telling you, this will be the flow chart. Checkbox, if we are clicking it, the color should change. Okay, now we are here on the emulator. Let's check it there. If I am clicking here, my background is changing. Okay, what is happening? If I am ticking, it will red. If I am unticking, it is red. Now I'll go to the green. Yeah. But in both the option, while for check and uncheck, the background color is still the same, green. And same thing is happening there for blue also. Okay, is there anyone who can tell that why this thing is happening? When I'm pressing reset, the color of the background has changed to cyan, but still there are certain problem in this application. What are those problems? Can any one of you state the problem there writing in the comment section? Subseni. Okay, Shabd, I think Shabd asked to teach Python. We have different plans for you. We are planning to teach Arduino blocks also, machine learning for you, Python, but it will take a little time. Have a little patience. Step by step, we'll teach you everything. What I'm asking now, just concentrate on that. I have written these instructions there, but what problem I am facing here that when I am clicking on the button, what is the problem that both on checking and unchecking the change is there, and what else is there that the check and uncheck, if let's say I have checked blue and then I move to green, the option blue is still in checked condition. What next that on both the changes, whether I am checking it or unchecking it, the background color is changing. Then when I am resetting it, background color is changing to cyan, but still these checked colors are still in the same status. The status isn't changing. So what's the reason behind it? Nobody is telling here. Okay. Anyways, I'll tell you. Why it is happening actually when we have taken this event here, change, and we have executed these two instructions here. Change means change. If we are checking it, that is also considered as change. If we are unchecking it, that will also be considered as change. So whatever be the condition, whether checked or unchecked, it will going to execute these two instructions, because this is what we have given. This is what we have used in our instruction. So what we'll do, we'll make a change here. I'm making a change, and what change I'm going to introduce here? I'm going to use one logic option, sorry, one control option over here, and that is if option. So I'm going to place these instructions there, and then if I'm going to take a condition here, if red checkbox is checked, execute this instruction. I am going to do this for all the three. I'll replace it and replace it with green, and in the similar way I'll do it for blue. So I'll do it for blue. Maybe things will be different for this. Maybe. Let's check it. What will be? Oh, sorry. Okay. This is what I have done here. Now let's check whether it will work there in the emulator or not. Oh, it's not working. Why it's not working? Because still the program is incomplete and it's not written in a proper fashion. What is the problem here? We haven't taken the event. Why? Because we have taken these statements there, if then statement, and we have written these instructions, but it will not work until and unless we will bring them under an event. So what we'll do, we'll take an event, and then we'll bring these instruction under them. So we'll take the event for red, then for green, and then for blue. So we have taken now it should work, because now believe that we have written the program somewhat workable. So now let's check in the emulator, will it work or not. Still it's not working because a problem is there. Now we'll move to Green checkbox for red color. Okay. Yes. We have made a mistake here. A red checkbox. This is for green checkbox. This I have made. Who has written? Who has given that comment? Uma Devi. Very good. Very good. That means you are looking. You are concentrating on the Devan Seni. Very good. Let me check it once. When red button checked, red checkbox checked, red. When green checkbox checked, green. When blue check, blue. Okay, now let's check it. Still have some problem. Okay. What else we need to do here? One more thing is there which we haven't introduced in our blocks, and that is to uncheck the checked checkbox. Let's say we have pressed this red button, then we press on green button. So this red button should get unchecked. So for that, what we'll do? Again, we'll go to Rehan, show me that image. Again, we will go to green or red, and then we'll red checkbox. Yes, red checked, and we'll make it false. So this is how we will be going to disable or uncheck it. Sorry, I have made red. If it is red, we'll be unchecking green, and in the same way we are going to unchecking blue. Since we are using this block for red, so what we have done, except this red, both these two options, green and blue, will remain in unchecked condition. And same thing we are going to do for green. What color should remain in unchecked condition if we are clicking on green? Clicking on green, exactly, red and blue. Red and blue. Then same thing we are going to apply there in our blue event. What color should remain in unchecked condition? And red and green. So I'll take a green block from here and bring it down over here. And same thing we will be going to do for our reset button, because what is reset? In reset we need to keep all the three checkbox in unchecked condition. If they are in checked condition, we need to bring them down in unchecked condition. So these are three different colors, three different checkbox, and one by one. Sorry. What I have done a little. Excuse me for this. I have made a little mistake over here. Instead of taking this checkbox, I have taken. Okay, now. So I'll take these three different checkbox condition and I'll put them in reset event. Okay. And what are these three different? Red, green, and blue. Now I think my program has completed. I have done everything which should make things workable. What happened to where? Red checkbox checked. False. Okay, now let's check it here. I'm pressing red, then I'm pressing green, then I'm pressing blue, then I'm pressing reset. Is it working perfectly? Then what color is there? Cyan. What is displayed here? Cyan. I'm pressing red. What color is there on the display? Red. What is displayed there at the back? Red. Then I am pressing on green. What color is there on the background? Green. What is displayed? Green. On blue, what color is there? Blue. What is there at the background? Blue. So that means our application is working perfectly and our checkbox are unticking automatically when I am moving from one checkbox to another. So like this, you can use this checkbox in any of the application. This is what actually we have used by taking one example of color background. It doesn't mean that you only need to apply it there in the color background. You can design your application where you are choosing three different options. Let's say you want to purchase burger, you need to purchase pizza, you need to purchase a coffee. So you can design your shopping app where you can use these checkbox option, then you can calculate the total amount over there.
Sir, in blue checkbox, you have to enable red checkbox. It's disabled.
In blue.
Right click and enable it.
Okay. Sorry. By mistake it happened. It happens actually. I excuse me for such mistakes. So have you got the idea what mistakes we used to do in this while applying our logics? The main thing is how we are applying our creativity in writing our code. Your code may be different. There are varieties of ways to write your code. You can write in different ways, but the thing is your program should work properly and it should be short. There may be different options to write the code for this application, but our motive is to tell you that how you can use different logics or different blocks out placed here out there in the left hand section under this palette block section. So for today we are finishing our session over here. Hope you got the idea of using the checkbox buttons and labels to design your app. You can design your shopping app, you can design your uh, a different app using your checkbox. We'll most probably try to conduct one more session within a week, between this week, maybe on Thursday or Friday. Actually, we were busy or in somewhere else, so we had to postpone our Friday session uh, to today. Okay, guys. Okay, students. Okay, friends who are watching us. Thanks for watching, and see you in next section. If you have any query, write in comment section or write afterward also under the comment section there in the video. Thank you. Goodbye.